Rounding to the nearest thousand. The same procedure is also used when rounding a number to the nearest thousand. In this case, we look at the hundreds digit, the third from the right. If it is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, then the number is rounded down to the nearest thousand. This means the rounded number becomes smaller than the original. On the other hand, when the hundreds digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, the number is rounded up to the nearest thousand and the number therefore becomes bigger. Obviously, the number will have at least 3 zeros at the end. For example, when rounded to the nearest thousand, 472 becomes 0, 597 becomes 1000, 1946 becomes 2000, and so on. We have the following shown on screen. As you see, a number rounded to the nearest thousand usually has 3 zeros at the end. However, a number may end with more than 3 zeros after being rounded to the nearest thousand. This occurs when the number is close to 10,000, 100,000, and so on. For example, when rounded to the nearest thousand, 9,758 becomes 10,000, 99,673 becomes 100,000, and so on. We can continue using the same logic for further rounding, such as to the nearest 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, etc. In such cases, we must consider the fourth, fifth, and sixth digit from the right respectively. They must obey the aforementioned rules regarding to the possible rounding up or down. Example: round the number 437,891 to the nearest 10, 100, 1,000, and 10,000. Solution: we must consider the value of the units digit when rounding to the nearest 10. Since this value is 1, we have a rounding down. Hence, 437,891 approximately equals to 437,890. We must consider the value of the tens digit when rounding to the nearest hundred. Since this value is 9, we have a rounding up. Hence, 437,891 approximately equals to 437,900. We must consider the value of the hundreds digit when rounding to the nearest thousand. Since this value is 8, we have a rounding up. Hence, 437,891 approximately equals to 438,000. We must consider the value of the thousands digit when rounding to the nearest thousand. Since this value is 7, we have a rounding up. Hence, 437,891 approximately equals to 440,000. That is all for lesson 2.1.4. To continue this tutorial, please watch 2.1.5 explaining rounding in the number axis. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.